Welcome to TPM Vid's Disney Beat Spotlight Series, where we take a look at a specific Disney-related ride, event, or performance. So as of January 8th, Splash Mountain has been down to finish off the refurb that was started in 2017, and the ride is expected to be back up and running by February 1st, 2018. Well, the other day they were testing Splash Mountain and sending empty logs through the ride. It was really strange seeing empty logs head down the flume without any water, so we thought it would be fun to share this rare look at Splash Mountain. Enjoy! If you have any videos from the Disney parks that you'd like to share with us to be used in future videos, follow the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Click the TPM icon on the screen to subscribe to this channel, and check out some of these other videos which we're sure you'll like.